In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a Wix lockdown or site restriction issue, often encountered when a Wix site gets restricted or requires a password suddenly. This can be quite frustrating, especially if you're trying to access your website or show it to someone. So let's dive right into a simple step-by-step process to resolve this problem effectively. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to your browser settings. Depending on the browser you are using, this can be found in different locations. For instance, if you're using Chrome, you would click on the three vertical dots located in the upper right corner of your browser. From the drop-down menu, select Settings, and this will lead you to a new page dedicated to your browser configurations. Once you're in your settings, the next step is to locate the option to clear browsing data, cache, and cookies. This can usually be found under Privacy and Security. On Chrome, you would see a section labeled Clear Browsing Data. Click on this and you will see options for clearing your browsing history, cookies, and other site data, as well as cached images and files. Here, it's important to make sure that all of these are selected before you proceed. Now, clearing your cache and cookies may seem a bit daunting if you haven't done it before, but don't worry, this is a safe and common procedure that can help resolve a number of browser-related issues. Caches and cookies are kinds of browser memory that help websites load faster and keep you logged in, but sometimes they can hold on to outdated information that causes problems. After you select the data that you want to clear, go ahead and click the Clear Data button. This action will start the process of removing the stored information. Be aware that clearing cookies will sign you out of accounts you might have been signed into, so it might be helpful to have your login information handy just in case. Once the data has been cleared up, go ahead and try accessing your Wix site again. Often, this simple step of clearing the data is sufficient to fix the Wix lockdown issue, and you should be able to navigate your website without encountering any restrictions. And there you have it! By following these steps, you should resolve the problem and continue using your Wix site without the annoying lockdown interruption. Remember, maintaining a regular habit of clearing cache and cookies can help in keeping your browsing experience smooth and efficient. Hopefully, this guide has been helpful, and your Wix site is back up and running without any hiccups. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and solutions.